All right, here we are at our new project, 74 Winthrop Street in Rehoboth. Project we picked up last Friday. It's now probably the 5th day in. Done quite a bit of demo and gotten a lot of the framework out of the way. Plumbers started. But let me give you the grand tour. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath in Rehoboth, Mass. So all this siding will get painted eventually. You get the roof already done. Bring you inside here. A little dining area. Right here, all the windows will get replaced. Slider will get replaced. In here is your kitchen. Now, right below the sink, well, the window will be the sink. Dishwasher to the left. Stove will be right in that vicinity. And then in the nook area over there will be the fridge. Do some recessed lighting up here. As far as now, we'll go over to the living room. Fireplace. Get some recessed lighting on the slanted ceilings. In here is your full bath. Got the top set for the plumber. We have toilet there. We're gonna do a double vanity. 5-foot double vanity right here. And we'll have some space along here for a towel shelf. Now this room, we got laundry hookups. I'm moving the laundry from the basement upstairs here. And probably use as an office space too, or small office space if need be for somebody. Bedroom 1. Now this here was, they had a stairway going down here which we did away with and framed in. That we are probably going to make into a bookshelf. It's already void space. Now this is the master. Yeah, we'll have a new furnace, hot water heater, central air. They have vinyl plank all throughout. We're going to be carpeting the bedrooms. That about wraps it up here for 74 Winthrop Street in Rehoboth. 2-bedroom, 1-bath, just under 1,100 square feet. Stay tuned for more upcoming projects and the progress on this project here. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.